gram.
What are we doing, guys?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You trust this guy to throw you out?
That's
Trust
right.
me to throw you out.
Yeah?
You're crazy. Whose idea was this? It's your fault if this goes wrong. We don't make it to next birthday. Are we celebrating anything?
No, not particularly.
Last words, final comments, confessions? Nothing.
I'm ready.
For me, it's the same every time. Computer, tablet, phone, bird, all buried in the desert, the wife, and have the rest of it. Let's go around this guy to have some fun. High five.
Let's go get some.
High five.
Bring it back. Cool.
Get up, get out of the bird. Ready. One more time. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
We're getting this down.